What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I just want to show you how I made a Lofi hip hop beat on FS Studio Mobile. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share. Yeah man, after that I'll show you some of the music that I made with my friends. So make sure you watch the video until the end, and if you need more beats, go to my email. The link is on description. Go and text me on WhatsApp. I left my numbers there, and then go to Telegram, and then you can follow me in all social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and yeah, Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. So yeah, so I made this lo-fi. The inspiration I got it from Splice, man. I was on Splice looking for loops, and then I found this loop lo-fi hip hop. I was like 75 BPM B minor, and I was like, okay, I have this loop. What can I do now so I can just add the drums and the 808, and then make it balance, balance it, and then sounds dope, man. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. And without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. Thanks for 100 subscribers. The goal is to reach 1000 subscribers. Road to 1k subscribers before March or before February. No, it's not realistic, but before March. I just want this channel to be far and beyond 1000 subscribers. I'll be uploading each and every day, so I'll do my best to upload. And yeah, so it's a banger, man. Let me just show you this beat that I made, and you will tell me how you found the beat, man. You can rate the beat on the comment down below. Yeah, make sure you interact with me on my social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Okay, so let's get straight to the video.
I'ma beat it like I'm beating on some drums. Hey, you know it's still a star, you know what's up, nigga. Hey. Nicolas on this beat, yo.
Soundproof Studio Production.
Yeah, 24 minutes. She gon' give it all night long like she don't need it. I'ma lick you to the toes when I'm done with it. She gon' split it wide open when I'm grinding it. Sex talks when she vibe with me. I was on the first time when she calling me. She said that she wanna ride with me. She said that she would die for me, yeah.
Sex in the kitchen, ordinary mission. Make her be submissive, begging for some action. Spicing up the foreplay cause all we do is mate. Having quickies everywhere even though it's late.
Split that booty like yoga. I just wanna see you come closer, closer. Nobody come closer. And she be like, yeah, woka, woka, oh. Na 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 na.
Soundproof Studio Production.
It's been 3 days since it's been raining right here. 3 days. So now we have this sun outside. It's windy today, but it's cloudy. You can see there. I've been making beats indoors. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. I love making beats in a like rainy day. No, not in a rainy day, but like because the rain a lot disturbs you a lot and all that. So like yeah, man. But today seems like it will be hard like all that. But hey, man, I just want to make 5 beats and I'll be okay. But yeah, shout out, man. Thanks for watching, for real.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
Soundproof's the production.
Don't you worry about what people say about me and you, cause you know that our love is so real. I can never find someone who can do it and replace you, cause you know that what we have is so real. I can never find someone who's better than you. All this time I've spent with you. She knows that she's the badass. Her body fine, no design can define. And she knows that she is mine, and I have been wanna udas. You give me love and we wine and dine, and then we rewind. And then the day she knows she got a fat ass. You got all the best. Ndingazvipesa ngori mighty others. And then my love for you, we know that is deeper than the ocean. Her body skin don't even know body lotion.
I got the fucking Russian shoes, my feet's coming through. How'd you like that? What you want me to stay there and do nothing? Hey, I'm no fucking criminal, man. I'm no boot of a thief. I'm Tony Montana, a political prisoner from Cuba. And I want my fucking human right. Now, just like the president, Jimmy Carter says.
Soundproof's the production.
Just like the president, Jimmy Carter says.
Carter should see this human right. It's really good. What do you say, Harry?
I don't give a word of this shit.
I'm never running from my enemies. Gunna with no guarantees. Aiming for the tallest tree. Swishing with no sticks, that's the finest meal. You're for real, we should kinda make a deal. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the strongest of them all?
You should be aiming high, cause you might be falling in order. Be by yourself and nobody will bother. Damn, I'm feeling thirsty, can you bring me some water? Fluently and you can never hear me stutter.
Try, run, going up. One day you will fall while you're trying to be high. Don't you ever try, run, going up. One day you will fall while you're trying to be high. So you better stay low-key. Don't get me wrong, Atikori. Lady China, you better stay low-key. Don't get me wrong, Atikori. Lady China. What's the point in rushing? I'm asking. Do you have to do it like a Russian? Maybe you're fast. Can you go slow? Why you going fast? Cause you think the journey's too long. Oh yeah, I know. And I want you to know. So many trials we have felt, but I need you to be strong. Wondering if I'm being harsh, show telling the truth. So many people gonna leave my side. Tell me, would you?
I got the fucking Russian shoes, my feet's
Tell me, would you ever try, run, going up? One day you will fall while you're trying to be high.
Hot sauce, nigga. We be on some lady. Hey. Sitting there with my nigga tipping, now you tryna fuck me hard. I'ma beat it like I'm beating on some drums. Hey, you know it's the last time, you know what's up, nigga. Hey.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
Soundproof's the production.
Yeah, 24 minutes. She gon' give it all night long like she don't need it. I'ma lick you to the toes when I'm done with it. She gon' split it wide open when I'm grinding it. Sex talks when she vibe with me. I was on the first time when she calling me. She said that she wanna ride with me. She said that she would die for me, yeah.
Sex in the kitchen, ordinary mission. Make her be submissive, begging for some action. Spicing up the foreplay cause all we do is mate. Having quickies everywhere even though it's late.
Split that booty like yoga. I just wanna see you come closer, closer. Nobody come closer. And she be like, yeah, walk out, oh. Na 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 na.
Soundproof's the production.
Ooh.
We're gonna start this beat.
I'm too baby, but tobacco zaman and the gari. Zine beta nati mangari. Mageta fule ya banga party. I'm too baby, but tobacco zaman and the gari. Zine beta nati mangari. Geta ya fule ya banga party. I'm too
heavy, nabanga ngwali. Over and the villa banga fari. Budara zi comedy episodes abatari and the villa yati dari. Nandira banga fari. Call me man of steel, nati katari. Starting to maneuver, but dombona kali rover. Mera papa chena, I'ma fly like a dover. I'll be pushing over, kare, give me kare, quit over. No bana moloro, todo wana na nendi kureira motoro. And the nigga of number ticket missing nomboro. Missing nomboro. They don't wanna see us go up, they just wanna see us go down, down. They just wanna see us go down, 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 down.
I'm too baby, but tobacco zaman and the gari. Zine beta nati mangari.